finally I completed Growth Pro Max Plus Kit 8 months course and results really amazing. I am really super happy and I cannot tell you my emotions. I feel great. What can I say more? I feel really different person. I feel like reborn. I cannot find the words. How can I tell my emotions? Cause finally I reached my height target. That was more than 195 centimeter and I am in after 8 months 195.5 centimeter guys. Yes, this is great guys. If you want to grow taller, absolutely Grow Pro Max Plus Kit, best one and working. I got so many questions about this product. Every day I reply the questions. Also, you are asking to me many things about products, growth taller, techniques, tips. Really guys, I tried my best for helping to you. But in these moments, I got so many slender things. So many slender things. I cannot understand why you still slender to me. I never give the affiliate link for this product. Did you see any things I give the affiliate link? Never and ever. If you don't believe me, you don't need to order. I don't get any benefit. I'm not working for products. Even some guys want a discount code from me or want to buy product from me. You need to understand, when I was short, I got so many problems. I want to reach the truth product. I tried so many growth taller products before the Growth Cinema and Growth Boom Pro. Nothing worked for me. In that moment, I tried search reviews, which product works, which is not. I didn't find the real honest reviews. This is the reason I created this channel, for helping to you. Also some guys sent to me many thankful messages, emails. I'm very grateful for this. We are big family. We are Bernardo family and I promise you, I want to make you taller. I want to share with you my tips while using product. What is good, which foods, which exercises, what you need to avoid while using products. I am trying to my best guys, but when you slender things, when you ask me I repeat or some things is really broken my heart. You need to understand this. Okay, I want to send a thank you for Rahul. Rahul from India. He has some channel about the lifestyle. He is sharing product experience with his community and I really respect these guys and I really respect his motivation and sharing skills. You can see some videos like this. He's trying really hard trainings for growing taller. He trying to his best experience sharing with his community and I really respect for this guy. Rahul, I sent for your best wishes. I hope you can grow taller. Also, he ordered Carafire Super Growth, Growth Pro and he already got some results. You can follow this guy's YouTube channel from here. He is really great. I respect for you brother. I send love to you. Okay guys, I tried many growth taller products. Galaxy Height Enhancer, Peak Height, Height Maximizer, Pure Height Plus, etc. I tried so many growth taller products before Growth Cinema and Growth Boom Pro. I just got the results, satisfied results with Growth Boom Pro and Growth Cinema. If you compare with Growth Cinema and Growth Boom Pro, I can say clearly Growth Boom Pro much better and you can get really amazing results. And some people come to me using the Growth Cinema and they are saying, oh, I didn't see any benefits from this product. You need to understand guys, growth taller products doesn't give results in same time every person. Growth taller products give the different results in different person. It depends on many things, your nutrition, your genetic, your environment. If you are in high oxygen places, is like mountain or some things, you will get the more results, more higher metabolism and you get the more results, better results, quicker results actually I can say. Even not just this, drinking alcohol, smoking, many things, exercises. Actually, I want to say many things affect your results while using the growth taller products. This reason, you use the 3 bottles 4 bottles, you cannot say this product doesn't work for me. Some people need more and more. Some people get the results even in the first month. Some other people get the results after 1 year. This is the reason I say to you always, if you want to use growth taller products, you need to give a chance least 1 year period. If you not complete the 1 year period, growth taller products, you cannot say this product is scam or something. Some people sent to me many things. One guy shared his experience growth cinema, 2 bottles, 3 bottles, says I didn't see any results. You cannot say like this, guys. For this, you need to use least 1 year period growth taller product. Then you can say this not working. Maybe I can understand. Most people who doesn't see the results, who continue to use product, after 1 year they see the difference. Also growth rate and growth speed, many accelerators and get very good results. Some people doesn't see the results with growth cinema and they are test the growth boom pro and get very good results. You need to understand this. Everybody has the different metabolism and different body, different environment, different nutrition, and everybody gets the different results. So I am not paid actor. I say it again, cause really get very sad emotions when you say to me that kind of things. I just want to help you. I want to show you truth way for growing taller. I want to explain one very important thing. Everybody asking me, if you are reached your goal, what will you do after complete Growth Boom Pro? If you reach your target. So after these moments, I will continue sharing my videos. You can still subscribe me. I promise I will share very good videos on my channel. You cannot believe what I will share in here. Also, I will be coaching and guiding for another persons who want to grow taller. I will choose some persons and I will give the chance. I will guiding while they are using the products. Also, I will try another growth taller supplements. Actually, I am not trying. I will choose some person, he will try. Because I already 195.5 centimeter. So I will help another persons, we will see. They can grow taller with Carofire, Super Growth and another growth taller supplements. This channel will be very good guide for grow taller products. I am trying the best grow taller channel. I try to build best community, best family. I need to do this. Why I need to do this? Because you support me in my grow taller journey. So many good messages, so many loves. I cannot go away from this channel. I cannot let you alone. I got so many emotional messages. You are my hero. Even some people says you are very meaning to me. I am 2 years, 3 years following, subscribing to you. How can I go and let you alone, guys? I want to say also sorry for late video because in the Spain so many cases. Finally I grow taller and I feel so much great. I feel like another person. I cannot tell you how it is changing my life after grow taller. My dreams finally come true. So I always use my Spider-Man mask because Spider-Man my superhero in my childhood. This reason I use this mask and I want to be for someone superhero. I got so many emails every day and people always write me, Bernardo, thank you for supporting me, thank you for make my dream come true because I always support and guiding coaching for people. When I get emails, I feel so much grateful. I cannot tell you how I feel happy in that time. So guys, thank you again for supporting me in this journey. It was really difficult and I tried so many growth taller products, so many cheap, expensive products, but I told everything on my channel, what is work, what is not work. Shortly, I can say, Growth Boom Pro, best one. Growth Boom Pro really works. Growth Boom Pro make me superhero, and I want to be your superhero this time. I will support you and I will continue record videos. Follow me guys, I love you all, Bernardo family, and I will be here for you, always guiding and supporting. Thank you, I love you all.
Breakthrough. You got the dollar.
Bernardo channel.
Dollar. Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo channel.
dollar. Breakthrough. Breakthrough.
Bernardo channel.
Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo channel.
dollar.
Breakthrough. You got the dollar.
Bernardo channel.
Dollar. Breakthrough. Dollar. You got the
Bernardo channel.